Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to get keys and coins in Subway Surfers without spending money. So first, open Subway Surfers and check your daily rewards. Logging in regularly can give you coins, keys, and other useful items. Next, complete the missions and daily challenges available in the game. And you can also collect coins during your regular runs and keep an eye out for keys along the way. Another thing to check is the event section. Limited time events and challenges can sometimes offer additional rewards, so make sure you don't miss them. And you may also see optional reward ads that provide free in-game items. If that option is available on your account, then you can use it without making a purchase. And keep the game updated so you don't miss the current events or the rewards. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.